Hi, my name's Will Studd and I want to introduce you to a very special cheese. Its name is Aphrodite Galotyri and it's one of the world's oldest spreadable cheeses. Its origins lie in ancient Greece, where it was once made by shepherds during the summer months. At that time of year, ewe's milk is really high in solids, which means the cheese has a very dense, rich texture. And after being hung in muslin bags for a couple of days, the cheese was stored in pottery jars in cold running mountain streams and topped up regularly with fresh curds. It's a fabulous cheese and super versatile too. Originally it was used with roasted lamb in ancient Greek times, so it's great when you're having a barbecue as an extra special accompaniment. But it's also great folded through pasta or served with fresh berries or simply a spread. Try it. I don't think you'll be disappointed.